Deals, coupons, and Prime exclusive discounts. 3 of the best ways for you to create discounts to motivate customers to buy your products on Amazon. My mission in this video is to show you all of these 3 different ways, the pros and cons of using each, and make sure you watch the video till the end because I will be revealing the best way of discounting your products on Amazon to increase your sales. So let's get going. Did you know that 67% of customers adjust their buying behaviors to make sure that they can purchase products during huge discount events? And did you know that 70% of customers say that discounts heavily influence whether or not they purchase a product? So, we all know, everyone, including myself, and I'm sure you as well, love discounts and loves to get a great deal. That's why discounting on Amazon is very important, but you've got multiple ways of doing it, and that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Kristen and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we support sellers on Amazon in the Middle East to grow their business. So if you're looking for help and support and if you want a team to help you either get started and find products to sell on Amazon, or if you have an existing business and need help and support, reach out to us. We'd love to help you. Find all of our information on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find also the links in the description box of this video. Now, you might ask, okay, why are we doing these weird discounts? Can't we just do a regular discount, like the discount that you see on Amazon? Yes, of course, discounts also are great. But the name of the game on Amazon and online these days is to get more attention. And all of these different ways of discounting your products are going to do just that. They're going to get you more attention. Hence the reason why I am filming this video and I'm showing you these ways of discounting, and probably hence the reason why Amazon has created these discounts. Now, there is eligibility requirements depending on each and every way that I'm going to show you. Sometimes the eligibility might be related to how long you've been selling the product. Sometimes the eligibility might be related to the ratings either of the product or your seller account. Hence why you should make sure that you always have good ratings for your seller account, better known as seller feedback, and of course, great reviews on the product itself. And also, well, if you've recently launched a product, then that type of eligibility is outside of your hands, but you can wait a little bit and then you'll be able to discount. So let's start off with our very first discount method, and we're talking about deals. So when you enroll a product in deals, this is what it's going to look like. There's 2 different ways. There's a best deal and there's a lightning offer. So they look kind of different, but it's also always similarly the same. The product might show up on the best performing page on Amazon, better known as deal of the day page, where a lot of customers log in every day to find what things are discounted. And also the product in and of itself on the search result page will have like an additional banner showcasing that it is discounted. All of the discounts that I'm going to be telling you about, you will find them under the advertising tab. As you can see here, we've got deals, which is the first thing that we're going to be talking about, and then coupons, and then Prime exclusive discounts, which is very important for you to learn about. So keep watching the video. Let's click on deals. When you do click on deals, you will see whether or not you are eligible. This is the only discount system where Amazon will suggest whether or not you are eligible. So here we have a product that is eligible to be enrolled in the 11/11 discount. So I'm filming this video in the middle of October. So we're still eligible to add products to the 11/11 discount happening in November. So what I would need to do is to click on create a new deal. And then I would select which product I do want to discount and whether or not it should be a best deal or a lightning deal. And I'll click on it. And as you can see, for this particular product that I selected, Amazon is only saying that I'm eligible to run the 7-day deal during this time frame. So this is this type of discount where I cannot decide when to start and when to finish. It is already pre-decided by Amazon. So if I'm happy with it, I would just click, okay, December 9th, December 15th, and I continue the process to the next step until the deal is well done. Now, moving on to type number 2, and we're talking about coupons. This is how a coupon would look like on your Amazon listing. It's also really interesting because it really highlights and catches the attention of customers. It's important to understand whether that be in coupons or other deals. Normally, the minimum discount that you can do on Amazon is 5%. However, do remember that customers are motivated when they see a good discount. So sometimes if you discount by 5%, probably that's not going to get people that excited. It's still something, but it's not enough. But I would highly recommend to at least get started with anything and test it out. Of course, that's if you have the profit margins to do so. Coupons also here. So as you can see, we run a lot of coupons for this account. And as you can see here, we actually have ran a coupon, but it's say it needs attention. So it's very important for you to remember that once you create a coupon, you need to, or a discount or a Prime exclusive discount, which I'm going to show you next, you constantly check it. Sometimes Amazon does send you an alert if there's an issue with the coupon, but you constantly need to check it to see if it's actually working or not. As you can see here also, we did a coupon of 5% for this account, and 5 coupons were clipped, meaning people clicked on them, but they were not redeemed. Here we had 2 clips, 1 redemption, 3 clips, no redemption. Now, redeeming the coupon, clipping the coupon might mean that people clicked on it, but they ended up purchasing the product with a coupon. The cool thing about the coupon is that people will see it on the search result page, but unless they clip it, they will not have it discounted. So some people might just add the product to cart and not end up getting the discount, which is a good thing, I guess, for sellers. But yeah, this helps you understand whether or not people are clipping the coupon because it's interesting for them, and it helps you understand if they're redeeming it, yes or no. With that being said, in order to create a coupon, you would just need to click on create a new coupon. You would need to identify the ASINs. You basically need to add the ASINs of the products you want to enroll, and then you can move on to the next stage where you can decide what is the coupon that you want to run and how long you want to run it. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about Prime exclusive discounts. So if you're new to selling on Amazon, or if you've been selling for a while and you're thinking, how do I enroll in Amazon's major discounts like Prime Day or White Friday, those big discounts? Well, I'm going to show you where you need to go. Not only that, Prime exclusive discounts are quite interesting because they also look like this. And they're quite interesting in a sense where they're just for Prime members. However, the idea is that 80% of customers on Amazon, if not higher, in the Middle East are Prime members. So it's the majority of customers, and it still grabs people's attention. Again, same thing, advertising, and then we go into Prime exclusive discounts. As you can see here, it's already telling me that I can submit for White Friday and Cyber Monday. Again, we're in the middle of October, so I could do that. I already created one, but I didn't upload products to it, so I'm just going to click here, and there you go. To create a Prime exclusive discount, for products, what I need is the SKU number of each and every product, and then I can decide on the discount type. I can say amount off or percentage off or fixed price, whatever makes it easier for you to calculate. We normally use the percentage off just because it's easier for us to calculate and to add all of the details depending on the SKU. Once you're done, you click. Well, it's already on add if you want to edit once you log in, or if you want to delete it afterwards. And then once you've added all of the products, all you need to do is to submit products. Again, you will be alerted by Amazon whether or not your discount has been approved, or if there's anything that you need to look at. It might be that it's suppressed or anything like that, so that you need to check if there's any mistake that you need to fix. I would say mission accomplished. Now you know 3 different ways to discount your products on Amazon and motivate customers to purchase your products. Don't forget that Sellers Society has an exclusive school community free to all our followers. So go ahead and join us. You can find the link in the description box of this video, of course. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.